and welcome back to Jagadamba Pearls. So today I'll be showing you the beautiful collection of Kundan jewelry. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and let me tell you something interesting, that if you want to try this jewelry, you can also try this jewelry at your home for free of cost, and to fix an appointment you can check the description, and you can also know its price details and weight details. You can also contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is also in the description. So you can also walk into our stores. The store locations are mentioned in the description. Guys, so let me just go ahead and show you the beautiful collection of Kundan jewelry. Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you the bridal Kundan sets. So you can see all the beautiful Polki bridal Kundan sets over here. So it's completely the set which I'm going to show you with the beautiful earrings. So you can see the jhumka over here. And this is completely customizable, guys. If you want to change this particular gemstone into any other gemstone, so here we have used the emeralds. You can also change this into the rubies or the sapphires or any other gemstone or the pearls you want to. So you can see this particular jewelry. So this is according to your dress. You can also customize this. And here we are showing you a beautiful set. You can see the earrings, how beautiful it is, and also the droplets. And here also you can see the beautiful set, the choker set, and the chandbalis. So let's get into the video and let us know more details about this particular collection.
Hello everyone, and this is the beautiful bridal choker set with a combination of emerald and real polki with a small tiny seed pearls we have attached, and these are the sets which we can change also as per your requirement. And these are the matching earrings. In these also gold part will be used, like 24 carat, 22 carat and 18 carat as well as. And this is a beautiful bridal set which can be wearable for any age group of also afterwards.
So because we have options of 18 carat, 22 carat gold in this particular jewelry, we are not giving you the exact weight of this particular collection, because as per your requirement we'll be giving you the weight as well as the price of this particular collection. So if you want to know more details about this collection, you can also WhatsApp us. You can take the screenshot, or else you can directly WhatsApp us about the bridal Kundan Polki collection details. So we'll be WhatsApping you. Or if you want to know more details about this, you can also Instagram us, you can also DM us, or you can also follow us on Facebook or Insta, or you can also leave a comment down below. We'll be giving you a reply with the information. So let's know more details about this particular beautiful jewelry. So this is one of my favorite, guys. So let us know more details.
And this is also one of the choker with a bigger size polki and a smaller size polki with a different designs we have added in this, like mango pieces and different uncut shapes with tourmaline beads. As per your requirement you can change the beads also, and the matching earrings also. If you want a short or long, you can mix and match any other tops also. We have the collection for see more also. This is the perfect set. And if you want to customize anything, we have an option. Feel free for anything, you can contact us also.
So in Jagadamba Pearls we are always open for the customization. So if you have any designs in your mind, or if you want any designs to be converted into the jewelry, definitely you can contact us, or you can walk in to any of our store, and the details are mentioned in the description. Or you can also try this particular jewelry at your home for free of cost, and to fix the appointment you can check the description for the contact number and this particular details of this particular jewelry.
And this is also one of the choker with a fine quality polki with an emerald beads and the small tiny pearls which we have tied in this. And this is the jhumki. As per the requirement you can change the earrings also. If you don't want jhumki, if you want an earring with a longer pattern, we have options for that also. But this is the exact matching for this thing with a beautiful jhumki. And we have an options for this, for the hook pattern or screw pattern. You can wear as your choice.
So hope you have loved all this particular collection, guys. That's all for today. And to check more collection about Jagadamba Pearls or about this particular Kundan collection in our stores, you can subscribe to our channel. and you can click the bell notification for everyday video updates.